Hey everyone! Welcome back to PsquareDev. In today's video, we're going to learn how to write a simple Python program to calculate the sum of squares of natural numbers. First, we need to ask the user for a natural number. We'll use Python's input function and convert the input into an integer. Next, let's initialize a variable sm to store the sum. We'll start with 0. Now, we'll use a for loop to iterate from 1 to the number n. For each number, we'll add its square to sm. And finally, we'll print the result. Let's test this with a natural number like 5. The output shows the sum of squares as 55. Awesome.